There are also 3 methods of practice in helping us reform. First is changing through action, second is changing through reasoning, and third is changing from the heart. Since the methods vary, so do the results of change. For example, if I killed living beings in the past, I now vow not to kill again starting today. If I was angry and yelled at others in the past, I vow not to get angry starting today. This is how a person changes through action. However, this is merely suppressing yourself not to do something, and it is difficult to achieve the objective of getting rid of your faults permanently. A more ideal method is changing through reasoning. In the case of killing animals, one can think thus: loving all living things is a virtue of heaven. All living things love life and are afraid to die. How can I be at peace with myself by taking another's life to nurture my own? We should know that the way to healthiness lies in the utilization of our energy and not delicacies. We can be nourished just as well by consuming vegetarian food. Why let your stomach become a graveyard? If you think about it, you will naturally feel sorry for these animals and be unable to swallow their flesh.